Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AiHouse. So in these videos, we are going to introduce the custom cabinet libraries. So let's get into our AiHouse design interface first. To show these libraries, we are going to go to the left side to find this cabinet icon. Then click this one. Then we are going to introduce the cabinet libraries in this tool. So let's get into the wardrobe first. This is our Parametric libraries. Here, not only the wardrobe cabinets will include it inside. You can also see here have this shoe cabinets, wine cabinet, some tables, counter, tatami, slab bed, nightstand. So we are going to introduce them with you. So let's go to the first one, is the frame cabinet. Here you can click this icon to show more cabinets. And scroll down to see the bottom one. Then you can select the frame cabinet as you like based on the image. And at the big images, they also have some small icons, and you can move your cursors on it to show its details, and then left click to select it to use it. So to use all these modules, there are two methods. The first is that you just left click this one, then move your cursors inside. Like now you want to put it at this wall, you just left click again to place it. And the second method is to left click and hold your mouse and then move it out. Like now you want to place it here, so you just flip your mouse to place it. So let's going back to the left side. Next one is this wardrobe. And you can see there are two subcatalogs for you. The first subcatalog, the cabinets are classified based on dense colons quantity, single colon, double colon, or 3, 4, 5, and others. And at the bottom also have the corner cabinet without back panel. So let's go to the second subcatalog, is this one. It have the frame unit and the functional unit. The difference between them is that the functional units will have the inner design and also the door. And let's select this functional cabinet, then you can see the inners, and when you drag it out, it will show the door. If you want to see the inner again, you can hit O key to open the door, or you can select the door and hit the H key to hide it. So now I'm going to show it. So going back to the left side, the third one is the sliding door wardrobe. And here there are two subcatalogs, and the first one is for the frame. First is have no top and bottom panel, and the second one will have the bottom. And the third one will have both the top and the bottom. If you want to create a sliding door wardrobe, you need to select the frame first. Next is to place the basis unit inside it. So you need to go back to the left side to show this second subcatalog. Come here to select the basics unit for it, or some functional unit. You just drag and drop it inside, and it will also fix the place directly. Let's go to the next one, is this side cabinet. Here you can see many sides, including the special shaped ones. Going back to the left, the next one is the walk-in closets. There are 3 types of walk-in closets for you. The wall hanging, column, and the simple one. Going back to the left side, you can see the next is the handle-free. And the first subcatalog is still classified based on the columns. And the next is the low cabinet or the wardrobe one. So let's go to the next, is this inline cabinet. And the wall cabinet. The wall cabinet will be hanging on the wall, so you just drag and drop it inside. Then it will hang on the wall directly. And for the cabinets placed on the other cabinet, you can go to the left side to find this universal top cabinet. You just drag and drop it in. Then it will fix the height directly. So let's going back to the left side. There are other cabinets like the shoes cabinet, wine cellar, table, counter, tatami, slab bed. And for the slab bed, if you want to create the bed, you can go to here to select the bed string first if you need it. And the next one is the box bed. Also, you can select the other type. So let's go back to the next, is this nightstand. And here is the aluminum frame. Moving down, here is some special shade cabinet and also the cabinet placed under the stairs. And come to the subcatalog to show the stair cabinet. Going back to the left side is this decorative part. You can see the fillers or other decorative panels inside. And you can also come to the subcatalog to show more details. This is for some single unit. Going back to the left side, close the first catalog. You can see here the combination arrangement. If you have some combination that you can use directly, then you don't need to resize the inner part. Here also have other size for you. If you want to use them, just directly drag and drop it out. So this is the introduction for the custom cabinets in the wardrobe part. Let's go to the kitchen part. This is the kitchen cabinet. You can click the kitchen cabinet to get into the kitchen custom mode. At the left side, the first is still show the unit. Then you can create the cabinet one by one. Here you can see the first is this foundation cabinet. And going to the subcatalog, here is the floor cabinet, wall cabinet, high hi-fi cabinet, the wall mounted cabinet. And for the wall mounted cabinet, it's different from the wall cabinet. For the wall cabinet, when you drag and drop it, its distance to the floor is 1550. Then for the wall mounted cabinet, you can drag and drop it out. The distance to the floor is different. Go back to the first floor cabinet, second subcatalog. And here you can see the cabinet styles, like cabinet with doors, drawers, and cabinet placing the sink, stove. Here is the functional floor cabinet. Left click here to see that here have the basic cabinet and cabinet placing the electric appliance. So let's come back and you can see the next one is the corner one and corner cabinets with the cutting. So let's go back to the main catalog. You can see the next one is the pull-free cabinet. And the subcatalogs are almost the same with the foundation one. Moving back, next is the open cabinet. Here have many shaped open cabinets for you to select. Also have other heights. So the fourth one is the aluminum frame cabinet. Next is the decorative component. Still the same things like fillers, visible board. Moving down, you can see this interior series. This is for some stove electric appliance composed of some integrated cookers. And this is for the product layout here. You can also upload your own combination back here to use them. So this is all the introduction for the cabinet libraries. In our next videos, we are going to introduce the functions at the top right menus and functions for the cabinets. See you at our next videos. Goodbye.